Ever wonder why ChatGPT gives other people mind-blowing results, but yours sound like a middle school essay? Yeah, you're not alone. Most people type one boring prompt and expect magic, but ChatGPT isn't a mind reader, it's a mirror. It gives you back what you feed it. So today I'm showing you 10 genius prompt tricks that'll instantly make ChatGPT sound smarter, think deeper, and actually feel human. Trust me, after this video, you'll never look at prompts the same way again. Let's get into it. Number 1, act as prompts. All right, trick number 1, act as. Instead of saying, write me a marketing post, say, act as a viral marketing expert who writes like a Gen Z content strategist. Boom, the tone instantly changes. ChatGPT starts role-playing and it literally becomes that expert. You can do act as a teacher, a comedian, a UX designer, your grandma, seriously anything. It sets the context, and trust me, context is everything. Number 2, the persona stack trick. Now this one's kind of wild. Stack multiple roles together, like act as a copywriter, a psychologist, and a storyteller, and combine all those perspectives. That mix gives ChatGPT range. You'll start seeing outputs that sound layered, like an actual team worked on it. It's like Avengers, but for prompts. Number 3, the bad example. Teach ChatGPT what not to do. All right, this one's for all my perfectionists out there. If you've ever read ChatGPT's reply and thought, ugh, that sounds so robotic, this is your fix. When giving your prompt, don't just say what you want, also say what you don't want. Example, write a professional LinkedIn post about creativity, but avoid those boring corporate buzzwords. Make it sound like something you'd actually want to read. You're basically setting creative boundaries. Think of it like teaching a friend your vibe. Yeah, make it smart, but not stiff. You're telling ChatGPT your taste, and the more personality you show, the better it gets. Number 4, step-by-step brainstorming. Don't rush the answer. Most beginners just ask one big question and expect ChatGPT to instantly get it right. But here's the secret. ChatGPT thinks better when you let it think out loud. Try saying, before you answer, brainstorm step-by-step how you'd approach this problem. Now ChatGPT actually plans its response first, like a human mapping out ideas. Then it gives you a cleaner, deeper final answer. You'll notice the quality instantly goes up. Think of it like asking a chef to explain their recipe before they cook. That's how you get consistency. Number 5, give me 3 versions. Never settle for one answer. Okay, this one's for when you're indecisive, which, same. After you give your prompt, just add, give me 3 different versions. 1 casual, 1 persuasive, and 1 funny. Boom. You get options. You can mix and match or tell ChatGPT which one feels right and let it build from there. It's basically like having your own creative team pitching ideas, except it's free and never sleeps. Number 6, reverse engineer this. This one's fun if you see something cool online, like a viral tweet or catchy ad. Say, reverse engineer this post and tell me why it works and how to recreate it in my niche. Now ChatGPT is not just generating, it's analyzing. It teaches you the formula behind good content. Number 7, feedback loop. Trick, let ChatGPT fix itself. Once ChatGPT gives you an answer, don't stop there. Say, now critique your own answer and make it even better. ChatGPT will actually analyze its own writing and point out flaws, then rewrite it stronger. That's like having a built-in editor. Bonus tip, you can even say, rate your answer from 1 to 10 and improve it to a 10. It will get better every round. Kind of creepy, but also amazing. Number 8, style injection, make ChatGPT sound like you. If you want your ChatGPT outputs to sound like you and not some generic AI, do this. Give it a short sample of your own writing, maybe a YouTube description, tweet or email, and say, analyze my tone and rewrite your responses in this same voice. Boom. You've just cloned your writing style. Now your posts sound personal, not robotic. Perfect if you're making content for your brand or channel. Number 9, nanoprompting, say less get more. Sometimes less is more. Nanoprompting is when you give ChatGPT super short, powerful commands, and it fills in the gaps creatively. Like, explain A, I like, I'm 5, or make this sound mysterious. Short prompts make ChatGPT think instead of over-explaining. They're great for headlines, hooks, or brainstorming fast ideas. Try experimenting. You'll be shocked how creative it can get when you stop overfeeding it. Number 10, chain of chat technique. Build answers in stages. All right, last one, OE. And honestly, this is my personal favorite. Instead of dumping one giant request, break your conversation into mini steps. Step 1, help me brainstorm 5 ideas for my YouTube script. Step 2, okay, now pick the best one and outline it. Step 3, now write the full script with a natural tone. Each step builds on the last, so the results are way more polished. It's like guiding an assistant through your thought process, not just barking one command and hoping it sticks. So yeah, next time you open ChatGPT, don't just drop one lazy prompt and hope for magic. Use these 10 tricks and you'll start noticing it actually thinks with you, not for you. If this helped, hit that like button. And if you want to keep leveling up your AI skills, click the next video right here. We're diving into some next level ChatGPT, your personal sidekick. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.